Assalamu alaikum again. We are in front of a new lab of mechanical and manufacturing engineering, and this time it's robotics lab. Yes, robotics labs. And we have Dr. Haris with us. He'll quickly introduce himself and then we'll take a round of the lab.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Haris and I am working as assistant professor at the Department of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. Let's have a tour of robotics lab at Pak Austria.
Come on.
So the robotics lab at Pak Austria Institute of Applied Sciences researches the development of various kind of mechatronic systems and intelligent robots that will be used in environments coexisting with humans. So these robots and mechatronic systems are mobile, intelligent, autonomous, and they will be a useful like assistants for the people in different ages, activities, environments in order to improve their quality of life. So here we have a sort of mobile robot, and this is another kind of mobile robot. These are used to experiment different activities related to mobile robotics. Then we have here another basic type of mobile robot for tracking purposes. We have some robotic manipulators that are used for experimentation related to the industrial manufacturing. And then we have another arms, and then we have a bio-mimic robotic system. So basically this robotics lab at PAF-IST provides an excellent facility for long duration experiments with the mobile robots. Our main research areas focus towards the areas such as 3D printing, intelligent and autonomous robots, and then we have industrial manufacturing and much more. So basically our academics work closely with the different related areas with such as artificial intelligence, and then brain-computer interfaces and neural engineering. So we welcome you all to the robotics lab at Pak Austria Institute of Applied Sciences and Technology.
Okay, let me keep into it. Thank you, Dr. Haris. You gave a very nice and elaborative way of information in just a quick time. I just wanted to know your research areas, and if the students want to contact you, how can they do?
So basically I am here working mainly in the areas of like industrial automation and control system, and then mechatronics as well. So this is a very emerging field right now in the mechanical and manufacturing and mechatronics domain. So all the students who want to basically research in the robotics, then mechatronics, and then industrial automation and control system, they are warmly welcomed at Pak Austria Institute, and they can contact me through the website. Like my contact details are there already. They can email me. I can then like assist them towards different areas in this emerging field.
That's nice, Dr. Haris. So thank you very much for your informative session. I wanted to add something that in mechanical and manufacturing engineering, we are having two programs at the moment. One is MS Mechatronics Engineering. Dr. Haris is the program coordinator for that as well. Yes. Generally, he's taking care of all the graduate students, but specifically, he's the program coordinator of MS Mechatronics Engineering. And as we already published and announced that MSc Mechatronics is potentially doing its exchange or dual degree program with MCI Entrepreneur School in Austria, and that would be a nice opportunity. We are working with the administration of MCI that how will it work, but that would be a very nice work where the students can have that exchange program or exposure to the European community where they can see how their people work, how their industry work. Then they will come back and serve Pakistan for making us a proud nation and fulfilling the dream of Industry 4.0 we have. And the second degree of MS Manufacturing and Automation has also a very big role related to the robotics and controls engineering. As Dr. Haris rightly mentioned, we are not only confined to the old classical mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, or mechatronics is sort of emerging, but the classic mechatronics. We are working towards very modern ways of teaching. We are integrating Internet of Things, we are integrating artificial intelligence, computer vision, and all the novel technologies which are moving towards Industry 4 or Web 3.0. So thank you very much for joining us, and we'll come again with a new lab. Thank you, Dr. Haris.